Yo, it's a snow day, guys. Let's go have some fun. Use the SUBIE for what it was actually intended for, you know? I mean, this is the first snowfall of the year for Calgary, except for like one snowfall randomly in July. But a heavy snowfall like this came down, and then that first layer melted, turned into pure ice the night before, and then got layered over with a lot of snow. My whole SUBIE is covered in pure ice. Just a layer of ice over the paint. And that is everywhere, dudes. I literally just restored the paint, full body polish on this a couple days ago, so sad. And I am. So you see, what separates me from other people is I look forward to winters in Canada. One of the main reasons why I always change it up with my winter builds, always get something new and different. So first off, I can learn on a new platform, but also so I can drive in style and also have fun. So it started with the Presidia, which was like my high school dream car. I've always wanted that thing. That actually got us through some tough winter days. Also broke down on us in the middle of the highway during a snowstorm. That wasn't fun. And then after the Presidia, I got the E36, which actually got me through like a winter and a half, I want to say. But then I ended up turning that into a drift build, rear wheel drive and snow, also good times. And the XB, which I still have, which I'm actually starting to rethink, like try to cut my losses and just get rid of it. Like the mini camper idea was fun and all, but especially with me having this small sciatica problem, and it is going away, but just imagining me sitting in the back of that thing just doesn't sound like a good time. And now we have this bad boy. First all-wheel drive in my Cartillery. Honest, unbiased opinion, I think it was meant for this weather. So I'm really looking forward to testing this thing out. And if we can find like an empty parking lot, maybe we can have a little bit of fun in the snow. But this is where I'm saying I'm different than other people. When I buy a car, it's not for the depreciating value of it, but it's to learn on and to have fun with and enjoy it while it's in my possession. So it's time to have fun in this thing. But first things first, errands. I actually have some work to do. Brake test. Okay, that's not even that bad. Good, how are you, man?
Yeah, good, man. Let me know if you need a hand here.
Yeah, I might actually grab a couple of Pokemon cards if that's cool.
For sure. Two of these guys?
Yeah, two of those and then one of the one right beside
Oh, they have both?
Yes.
See, man.
Sweet, man. You're okay if I like vlog in here?
Oh, yeah, of course.
Oh, sick, dude. Okay, so right now I'm at a local comic book shop called Phoenix Comics, and this is basically where I get most of my supplies for like cardboard backings and stuff for my prints for the shows. But as you can see, it's like heaven.
Getting interviewed and stuff like that. It's always funny watching yourself on the YouTube.
Famous?
Yeah, exactly.
Magic cards, and on this side is all the rare Pokemon cards, which is insanely cool. So MP literally stands for misprints. Small idea of how much value these go for now. My god, dude, this snow doesn't seem like it's gonna stop anytime soon. But first thing off the list, oh, I'm like, bro, is it really that frozen shut? All right, next stop is my friend's shop called Megazone. Think of this, one half of the store is all JDM stuff, things for your car, and that's where I'm gonna pick up the air fresheners, and the other half is all anime paraphernalia. So you got Hello Kitty, Gundams, and a whole bunch of other anime stuff. And the pho place that I'm planning on getting lunch is right beside it too, so we're gonna bring you guys there right now. So that's where we're going inside of this little building, and that place right there called Moro Banh Mi and Pho Bar, that is where we're gonna be eating lunch. Let's get it. Oh, how sad. These guys are closed. Yeah, so this is the place I was talking about. It's called Megazone. Oh, so sad. Those are the air fresheners that I was gonna get. So sad. They're not open. Oh, every Tuesday they're just closed. We can have an early lunch, I guess. pizza is just such a good idea on days like this. It's good healing food, you know? Guys, I just waxed this. It's okay. Better time as any to put it through a test, you know? Like super icy, snowy weather.
It was a little intimidating. That's why I didn't want to go to the club. Yeah, the left table. Because it was like this. And
No, now.
what? Really?
You don't know me? That's pretty much it, man. See? Cool, just needs to sand a little bit there. Saves you a little bit of money, but I mean, obviously you still gotta do a little bit of refining, and if you wanna like really perfect them, sand them down fully, smoothing the surface, primer, and then full gloss paint, the works, you know? This is really just to fill in that void. So, not necessary, but it was a free file I found on Thingiverse, so whoever made these, appreciate you. What's up, Brett? Long time homie? STI.
STI.
Fake STI though. Yeah, shut up.
Go get a Mitsubishi.
What they say is, cause he has the rally art. Actually, this guy is the Lancer Evo dude. When I'm doing like my research on how to soup up my SUBIE, apparently the Lancer or any of like the Evos, that's the contender or the rival car of the Imprezas, so pretty interesting. They look similar and they're both rally cars, so I can kind of see why they go hand in hand as like rival cars. So. I was gonna give you a thumbs up, but you suck, bro. What the heck?
Super is gonna blow up.
That is a nice snug fit. I really feel like refinishing these wheels though. Maybe turn them gold or something. Because they aren't actually in the most pristine condition. They look decent on the photos. But as you can see, it was kind of covered up by the white. Ooh, look at that one though. Damn. That's okay. That's stuff I would probably be able to refinish myself. You'd be surprised at what you can do with basically the same process as bodywork on wheels. So I don't know, I think gold would look better on this car though. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Gold on silver. Center caps just finished this thing. So some of you guys know, a couple of weeks back, Gohan had an accident, like a pretty bad accident in the rear seat of the SUBIE. My fault as an owner. I wasn't paying attention to the water he was drinking at a random dog park, and next thing you know, he's shitting bloody diarrhea. So I ordered this, which is a seat cover for the back seats of any sedan really, and it was only 20 bucks off Amazon. So let's do a quality check. See if it even fits. Downside is SUBIE rear seats don't have headrests where you can attach this thing around. So I don't think so, man. Maybe I'll zip tie it or something. Again, this car was meant to be more so for Gohan, and so that he can be comfortable in the backseat of an actual sedan. Great, I think I'm just gonna end this vlog, guys. End my night off by catching up with a couple of commissions and some new concept drawings. And we're gonna be watching MF Ghost. I finally decided to start watching this. For those of you who don't know, this is basically the sequel to Initial D. So think Initial D, but more up-to-date cars. Like the main character is actually using an FRS. It's pretty cool, somewhat relatable. But I also have to work on some concept art, including a Pokemon card drawing that I'm gonna be entering for the card contest. Pun intended, if we play our cards right with this, we might actually have one of our drawings turned into a real Pokemon card for the TCG. I would show you, but I wanna keep my idea to myself until I actually enter it in. I guess before I end this video, guys, if you want to follow us on the Twitch channel at twitch.tv/BirdySketch, that's where you can catch me doing most of my commission work, actually. It's almost like killing two birds with one stone. Do me a favor and follow us on all the socials, which I'll be posting in the description. Appreciate it. Other than that, guys, I'm gonna just end this video. So if you want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button, drop some likes, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. My friend gave me this. I want to see what it sounds like. It's one of those talk boxes. Shoutouts JDM Icon, but it doesn't work with the laptop for some reason. All right. Let's see what this sounds like.
Hello, motherfucker.
It's like, what the f?
こんにちは。今夜は一緒に峠でレースをしましょう。
Anyone translate that for me?